In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get or create a Deepseek API key. First, let's start by logging into the Deepseek platform. You'll begin by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to the Deepseek login page. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so first. Once you're logged in, you'll immediately have access to your dashboard where you'll see various options laid out for you. Next, you're going to look for the section labeled API Keys. This is typically found in the main menu. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on API Keys. This is where you'll be able to view all of your current API keys, as well as create new ones. If this is your first time through this process, your list of active keys may be empty. Now, we're ready to create a new API key. Look for the button or link that says Create New API Key and click on it. This will bring up a short form where you'll be asked to name your API key. Try to choose a name that's descriptive so you'll know what this key is used for without having to remember it later. This is especially helpful if you're managing multiple projects or integrations, as you may end up having several keys. After entering a name, you'll want to confirm this setup by clicking on the Create API Key button. This action not only generates your new API key, but also automatically saves it within your account for future reference. Once the key has been generated, you'll see it displayed on the screen, usually alongside options to either edit or view it. To use your API key effectively, the next step is crucial. You need to click on Copy to copy the key to your clipboard. This makes it easy to paste it directly where you'll be using it, like in your applications or any text editor you might need. Remember, API keys are sensitive information. It's important to handle them with care. Be mindful of where you paste them, especially not sharing them publicly or in unsecured areas. If you suspect your key may have been compromised, it's always a good idea to revoke it and create a new one. And there you have it, a straightforward process to creating a Deepseek API key. With this setup complete, you're now ready to integrate Deepseek's powerful capabilities into your applications. Remember, keep your API keys secure and organized, and you'll be all set for smooth and successful projects. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more instructional content. Happy coding!